southeastern Illinois until 1:45 a.m. At 12:48 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Pleasant to near Antioch, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Buffalo Road, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Highland Park, Furnace Hills, Zion, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Forest, Round Lake, Deerfield, Antioch, Beach Park, Lake Villa, Glencoe, and Long Grove, including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 26, Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 26. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm.
That actually beat IEM bot. This is what I was trying to show you earlier. They're scrolling it on the TV. Actually, those are the ones from Wisconsin.